Ever notice how just hearing your phone buzz makes you grab it instantly, even when it's a false alarm? Or how a student suddenly studies harder the moment a teacher announces a surprise test? That's not just habit, that's psychology. Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our psychology series, we're exploring learning and conditioning, how behaviors are learned, habits are formed, and why sometimes we're not as in control as we think. Classical conditioning, Pavlov's dogs. Let's start with classical conditioning. In the 1890s, Ivan Pavlov discovered this by accident while studying dogs. He noticed they didn't just drool when food arrived. They started drooling at the sound of the footsteps of the person bringing the food. So Pavlov ran an experiment. He rang a bell right before giving food. After repeating this, the dogs eventually drooled at just the bell. No food needed. That's classical conditioning, learning through association. And yes, it happens to us too. Think of movie theater popcorn. The smell instantly makes you hungry, even if you just ate. That's conditioning. Operant conditioning, rewards and punishments. Next up, operant conditioning explained by B.F. Skinner. While Pavlov focused on associations, Skinner showed that behavior is shaped by rewards and punishments. He used a Skinner box with rats and pigeons. If they pressed a lever and got food, they learned to press it more often. If they got a mild shock, they stopped. Now, in human life, you study hard, you get good grades, you're motivated to study again. You speed on the road, you get a fine, you think twice next time. That's operant conditioning, shaping everyday choices. Habit formation, modern example. Conditioning also explains habits. Ever wonder why you keep reaching for your phone every 5 minutes? Because sometimes there's a reward, a funny meme, a message, or a like. Your brain craves the possibility of reward, so the habit forms. Apps, games, even fitness trackers use these principles, giving badges, streaks, or notifications to keep you hooked. Why learning and conditioning matter. Understanding conditioning helps us in powerful ways. Teachers can design better classrooms. Parents can encourage positive behavior, and you can break bad habits by changing the rewards and cues that keep them going. So here's the bottom line. A lot of what we do every day isn't random. It's learned through conditioning. From Pavlov's dogs to your TikTok scroll, psychology explains how habits form and how they can change. In the next episode, we'll dive into memory and forgetting, how your brain stores information, why it sometimes betrays you during exams, and how you can actually improve your memory. Check the playlist link in the description, hit subscribe if you haven't, and let's keep learning together. No conditioning required.